Exactly.
Yo, 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 this guy photo.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Guy, and I'm back with another tutorial video. Today I'm showing you guys how to do a one light setup with my favorite constant light, the ARRI 650 Plus. Today I'm shooting the gorgeous Rose. Introduce yourself.
Hey everybody, my name is Rose. IG, I'm that girl Rose. UMDAT.
All right, not too much, not too much, not too much. We're gonna put it in the description.
I'm like, they are fine. I thought we was doing intros.
Yeah.
Okay.
But anyway, we about to get into it, so stay tuned. Let's go. All right, y'all, so today I'm shooting with a Canon R5. I got a 24-70 f4.0 on it, and like I said, we're gonna be shooting with the ARRI 650 Plus. Now, the reason why I like this light so much is because it just gives this beautiful vintage kind of look. And as you can see, if we pan over to the model, we got like a semi-modern slash vintage kind of outfit on her. So we really want to accentuate that with our lighting. And like I said, guys, lighting is not only about making sure that the person is lit, it's also about making sure that you capture what you're trying to express in the photo. So first things first, we're gonna take a couple test shots. My settings right now are at 1/125 at 4.0 aperture and ISO 500. So Rose is gonna give us a nice, cute little pose. Boom, there we go. And I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys can see. Boom. No, you good. And you can switch the pose up a little bit. And honestly, I like this exposure, it's perfect. But just as a teaching point, let's say my ISO was too high. I'm gonna take a picture and you guys on the screen see what that looks like. So when it comes to switching up your settings, you don't necessarily have to choose one or the other. You go based off of what you want the picture to look like. If I want more of a depth of field, I'll make my aperture lower or higher, and then I will subsequently adjust my other two settings to fit that. So we're just gonna take a couple of poses real quick. Good. Cross that foot over all the way. Good. And then with this left hand, you might be able to just kind of put it, yep. Let me see what that looks like. Good. Bring the chin down a little bit, right. Good. And kind of look over to the right. Good. Keep that hand all the way over though. Right, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Fire. Now, stay in the pose, stay in the pose. Okay. This is another teaching point for you guys. If you don't like the pose and maybe you're not able to communicate it effectively to the model, you can just go up and put things where you want them. So put that hand back over. The hand up here was cool, but this hand, right, I want it maybe like right there. Bring it back a little bit more. Good. And then with this head, I want you to look right to the right of that light. There you go. Make this hand hang over a little bit more. Good. And then just give me a little bit of a smize. There we go. Fire. 1, 2, 3. Good. Do me a favor, switch your feet. Make her cross the right foot in front. There we go. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Ooh, that's gorgeous. You ain't come here to play, did you? Check that out.
Every time. I'm hanging that one up in my mama's house. Stop playing with me.
It's the reaction you need.
Look like a model. Oh my God. And I thought the little Bobbiana wasn't gonna Bobbiana. She.
No, I like it.
It looks really cute. Like it's on there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
so guys, I also designed this outfit for her. I made the skirt And the idea for the top was to just have it be like a floating top. So all I did was I taped it on with some double-sided adhesive, and yeah, that's it. Make sure that you use the really strong double-sided adhesive. I used Gorilla Tape. It's really not for skin, so it might kind of, I didn't tell you that, it might hurt taking it off.
At least I'm not a hair
But
female.
it's gonna hold this in place because this is a little heavy.
Gorilla, I said glue.
Make sure that you arch this foot. But you could bring it closer to you though. Bring it right.
Like this?
Right, there you go. Yep. Yeah. Fit too, so right, like how this is up here. So another teaching point, guys, you can see the pasties on her chest. So what I'm gonna tell her to do is kind of incorporate the pose so that she can cover that. So this hand you can keep down,
Okay.
right? Cross this foot in front.
Okay.
And this hand you're gonna put up and you're just gonna fake it like you're doing one of the, you know, boob pics.
Okay.
Right, so you like this, you leaning forward a little bit. Good. Let me see that, let me see that. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Tilt the head over to the left. Bring the chin down a little bit. Right there. And turn your chest more to me. There we go. Good. Give me a look off to the right. Gorgeous. Fire. Okay, look at these. Check these out.
This is good.
She's the one.
Every time.
She's number one.
I really like these. It's like sunset, like we on the beach.
Yeah, these are hard.
I'm so glad I ain't come. I'm so glad. Oh my God.
Listen, y'all, tell y'all models, don't come to the shoot drunk or
y'all.
they gonna act a fool if they drunk, and
gonna
their
be
eyes
too
gonna be like
giggly.
this if they. Tell them come sober.
As
1 or
sober
2
as
shots.
Possible. I smoked like 2 hours before.
1 or 2 shots is okay, but don't be.
Oh my God,
coming
these
drunk.
look so good. That's why I had to get in front of your photographer, in front of your camera.
All right, so
Got all the sauce.
real quick, last pose. All right, that right foot, right. Bring it as far as you can. About there you go. Yeah, let me see.
Should I come out more?
No, you get it right there. I'm gonna bring this light down a little bit. There we go. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. I ain't gonna lie, this fire. Good. Turn the face over to the right. And then that right hand, bring it further up your, right, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Listen, y'all, you don't have to have a million lights to get beautiful images. Y'all know I love doing very simple lighting setups, very simple shoots that are just elegant and classy, but they always come out fire. Good.
What if I like hands forward?
You can do that. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. All right, so just to wrap up with you guys real quick, we just did basically a whole shoot. As you've seen, it really was only like 10 minutes. We got a bunch of beautiful images. We got our beautiful model Rose with us here today, and we did it all with one light, our camera, and that's it. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Go down to the description box below to check out my lighting book to see how you can get lighting setups just like this. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.